awesome morning changers, and we have started our journey of graphology learning every day. And today I would like to share some insight about the letter M. Hi, I'm Jyotsna Seth, and I would like to explain or show some alphabet formation of letter M. Are you able to see it clearly? Now, I would like you to check in your handwriting what kind of letter M are you making. Is it this first letter M, which is looks like jagged M, or this M which looks like it is opposite U, or it is you are able to maintain the same level of M, the curvature, the sharpness, is it consistent? And does your M actually looks like M, or does it show some other letter like W, V, U, uh, opposite M, jagged M? What kind of letter it is showing you in your handwriting? Write some words now and you will come to know any word which has M in it, like them and mummy. Any letters, any words, you write some words containing those letters and see how your M's are. We'll come to know more about these letters. First, we'll be comfortable about the letter structures, how we are able to see it in our handwriting. So, stay tuned. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.